Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe me guys. Thank you so much. So this is our topic for today's video. OFW checklist before flying. Number 1 is a valid passport with valid work permit or visa. Your passport should be valid for at least 6 months and your visa should reflect the correct type of working permit required by your country of destination. Your prospective employer or principal should either guide or sponsor your visa application. The number 2 is pre-employment medical examination. As with local employment, you must be declared medically and physically fit to work. Vaccination will be also required from you before departure. Number 3 is insurance. Your employer or recruitment agency must provide you with insurance that covers your needs adequately for the duration of your employment. Number 4 is government mandated contributions and memberships. You need to ensure that regular contributions to PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, and SSS are made while you are abroad. Excuse me. You will also have to register with the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration or OWA. Visit your local service branches to update your records and indicate that you will be working overseas. Number 5 is pre-departure orientation seminars. Filipinos are preparing to work overseas are required by the Philippine Overseas Employment Administration's POEA to attend the pre-departure orientation seminar conducted by OWA. The seminar will provide you with information about your destinations, culture, and working environment, rights and responsibilities based on your employment contract, and how to contact Philippine embassies and agencies, among other things. Other number 6 is employment contract and UEC. You need that. Other number 7 is a remittance service provider. Don't forget to set up your remittance arrangements with your family. Check out which financial institution in your destination of remittance or money transfer services so you can ensure that the money you send will arrive safely and on time. That's it guys for our topic for today's video. Bye!